What if I told you there is a market bigger than stocks, open all day, 5 days in a week, where you can trade currencies from anywhere and you don't need millions to start? Sounds crazy, right? In the next few minutes, I'll explain exactly what Forex is, how it works, and how beginners like you can start safely. Forex simply means foreign exchange. Think about it. If you have ever traveled to another country, you exchange your currency for a different one. That's Forex. Now, imagine this is a global scale with banks, companies, and traders all buying and selling currencies every second. Forex is the largest financial market in the world, trading over $7 trillion every day. In Forex, you trade currency pairs, not single currencies. Think of it like a seesaw. When one currency goes up, the other goes down. The most common ones are called major currency pairs, including Euro USD, USD JPY, JBP USD, and USD CHF. For example, Euro USD at 1.1000 means 1 euro equals 1.10 US dollars. If you think the euro will rise against the dollar, you buy. If you think it will fall, you sell. Price changes are measured in pips, small movements, but they can add up. Even small trades help you learn the market safely. Why do millions trade Forex? 4 reasons. First, the market is open all day, 5 days a week, so you can trade anytime. Second, it has high liquidity, millions of trades every second. Third, leverage allows you to control more money with less capital, but be careful, it can magnify loss. Fourth, it's accessible. You don't need millions to start. To get started, you need a few essentials: a regulated broker, charting software like TradingView to analyze prices, and a trading platform like MetaTrader 4 or 5 to place trades. Finally, understand risk management. Use stop loss to limit your loss and take profit to secure gains. Protecting your money is key to long-term success. Successful traders use two main types of analysis. First, technical analysis, reading charts, trends to predict price moves. Second, fundamental analysis, watching news, interest rates, and world events that affect currencies. Forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Beginners make mistakes, and that's normal. Start with a demo account to practice without risking real money. Learn trading psychology, build confidence, and step into real trading gradually. Now, you know what Forex is, how it works, and why it is a powerful opportunity. If you are ready to start, I recommended Exness, a safe and regulated broker with low spreads, perfect for beginners. You can find the link to register and start trading in the description below. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. What inspired you most about Forex? Stay tuned for the next video. I will show you how to set up your first demo account to start trading safely.